This quick video is going to provide an overview of the expectations for the first part of the final project, which we're going to kick off the first week of the class, which is kind of crazy. So before I dig deeper, it is so critical to check out the video and the syllabus in the final project section at the very bottom of the SMT 240 portal on JetNet. So make sure that you read that, you check the video, you understand the whole flow of what we're going to be accomplishing from beginning to end in the course, because this just won't make sense if you don't look at the bigger picture. So to lay it out and to talk about the first stage of the project that is due on the 24th, you will be responsible for assembling an event proposal that you are going to submit to a local city council to bring an event to either the Lenawee, Hillsdale, or Jackson County communities. In this event, the first stage is that you're going to be creating a pitch. So what the pitch is, this is where you're going to lay out the core details of the event. What is the event? Is it a 2K sport tournament? Is it a basketball tournament? Is it a youth sports festival? Is it a 5K? Be very creative on what you want to bring to the town. If it's something that, if you're really passionate about a certain kind of event or a certain type of competition, let's be creative and bring that in. Also, it could be your own creation. So maybe it's, a crazy disc golf tournament, bringing in national traveling talent to the Jackson College campus or Ellis Sharp Park to compete there. Maybe it's something that happens elsewhere, such as a warrior dash or Spartan race, something like that, that you're looking to pitch to get Jackson, Hillsdale, or Adrian in the mix. So it could be already established. It could be your own creation. And based on that, that'll determine the flow of the resources that you're going to need to put this overall proposal together. So early on, we need to be identifying a lot of the core details. Why is this happening? Why do we want it to happen? Who's the target audience? Where are we hosting it? Who's going to benefit? Are we going to have sponsors? Are we going to have volunteers? What is the mission of this entire thing? So while the report itself, when it's all said and done, will be about 10 to 15 pages, this opening might just be one page, could be less, could be more, but it's where you're going to start to really paint the picture of what the audience and what the city council is going to expect in the proposal to come. So when it comes to the formatting of this, check out the first page of the rubric. I look for 1-inch margins written in 12-point font, something like Calibri. Let's start shifting away from times for professional reports. Double spaced is totally fine. And then, of course, I don't list this on here, but as always, when you're putting professional documents together, always use a cover page. So the name of the proposal, your name, the class, the submission date, just get a good cover page there so it sets this professional tone at stage one. So this is due on the 24th. I will provide a quick response to that because the following Sunday, just 5 days later, you're going to have to piece together a larger chunk of the project in the conceptualization stage. That's due on the 28th. So after you get through all the module 1 assignments, the weekend of the 26th, you'll be able to dedicate that time for this course specifically on this robust stage of the project. And I will have your pitch graded by then, so you know what to adjust, what to roll with, what to go with when building this substantial section for the course or for the project. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll chat more about this in the weekly chats and meetings throughout the week. Thank you.